Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, моя одежда, часть вторая, страницы. 80, 81, 82, 83. English, Starlight 2, my clothes, homework, page number 80, 81, 82, 83. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 80. 80. Go green. Exercise number 1. Color, then say, he is wearing a yellow hat. Посмотрите на картинки и скажите, на нем желтая шляпа. The answer. He is wearing a yellow hat, a blue jacket, a green jumper, red jeans, and blue boots. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 81. 81. Exercise number 2. Read and complete the story. Прочтите и завершите рассказ своей записной книжки. The answer. This is Sally the Scarecrow. Sally works on Mr. Smith's farm. She's got an important job. She keeps all the birds away from Mr. Smith's fruit and vegetables. But Sally is very sad, frustrated. She hasn't got any friends. I want a friend, she says one day. The next day, Mr. Smith makes a new scarecrow. Scruff. Now Sally is happy. She's got a friend. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read the story again and tick the best title. Прочтите историю еще раз и выберите лучший заголовок. Sally's new friend. Mr. Smith's new farm. The answer. Sally's new friend. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 82. 82. Looking good. Exercise number 1. Listen and choose the right picture. Послушайте и выберите подходящую картинку. It's raining. I'm wearing my jacket. It's hot and sunny. I'm wearing my cap. It's cold and it's snowing. I'm wearing my boots. The answer, A, B, A. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Play the memory game. Сыграйте в игру на память. It's red, a t-shirt. The answer. It's blue, shorts. It's green, a vest. It's pink, socks. It's yellow, a cap. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 83. 83. Exercise number 3. Read the text and answer the questions. Прочтите тексты и ответьте на вопросы. Hello, my name is Jack. In this photo, I'm with my little brother. It's sunny. We're wearing our caps, t-shirts and shorts. We're riding our bikes. Hello, I am Sue. In this photo, I am with my mommy, daddy, and my little sister. It's very cold. We're wearing our jackets and jumpers. We're making a snowman. What's the weather like? What are they wearing? What are they doing? The answer, Jack. It's sunny. They're wearing their caps, t-shirts and shorts. They're riding their bikes. Sue. It's very cold. They're wearing their jackets and jumpers. They're making a snowman. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Draw what you are wearing today and write about it. Present it to the class. Нарисуйте то, во что вы одеты сегодня, и напишите об этом. Представьте это классу. It's hot. I'm wearing my shorts. The answer, it's hot and sunny. I'm wearing dress and a cap. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.